Hello everyone, I'm Lei Yue from China. Wei Biao and I are in the same research group. In the next 5 minutes, I will present our research, the weight problem in a long weight context. As you may know, psychology has long been criticized for its reliance on unrepresentative samples. In 2010, Henrich called this weight problem to draw more attention to it. Unlike psychology samples, most of the world's population comes from non-weight regions. Many previous studies have preliminarily focused on weight problem in global, while all research turns to a typical non-weight region, China. Our research focuses on three main questions. We selected 1,000 empirical newspapers. We extracted their sex, age, socioeconomic status, and so on. We also collected 31 international collaborative projects. We obtained authors' data for analysis. In 2021, we first submitted or registered reports to PCI. After 5 years of review, our registered reports was accepted in 2023. After 2 years later, today, we have the final results. We found that the sex and age are the most frequently reported variables, while socioeconomic status, ethnicity, and religion are rarely reported. For the first question, we found that there is no differences in sex between Chinese papers and international collaborative projects. The differences appeared in age and education level. For age, samples from Chinese papers are more concentrated than that from international collaborative projects. And for education level, compared with participants in Chinese papers, those in international collaborative projects have a higher level of educational attainment. And then for second question, we compared with the census data and the data of CFPS. There is no differences in sex. The differences lie in age and education level. Chinese samples are young and highly educated. This indicated that Chinese participants in psychology cannot represent the Chinese population in terms of age and educational level. For the final question, we compared Chinese participants with participants from other regions. We found that Chinese female proportion is 53.54%. This result indicated that the sex ratio of Chinese participants is roughly balanced. Meanwhile, we also found some countries and regions have a higher proportion of females, as shown in upper part of figure. We also found some countries and regions have a higher proportion of males, as shown in the lower part of figure. Next, we look at the age results. We found 20 countries and regions have over 30% of participants aged 13 to 25. After merging the age group, it is easy to say that the young adults are the most numerous, while the adolescent and elderly participants are very few. These results indicated that the weight problem still exists in non-weight context. The above is my report. Thank you.